Hey everybody, it's your boy Mr. Maintenance here. Today we have an issue with a broken toilet seat. This is something I think everybody should be able to take care of on their own. But being Mr. Maintenance, I've got to fix it for them. And I'm going to show you how you can fix this on your own. So, first off, we lift the lid. You see we got a broken seat. Look at that. It broke from the hinges right there and right there. So, what I did was, I went and got this replacement seat, which is a quick connect. That one's not a quick connect. This one is a quick connect. By quick connect, I mean you put these little guys in the holes for the toilet. This little deal right here. Open. Locked into place. And if you ever break a toilet seat again, all you gotta do is get the seat itself. You don't even have to mess with these guys. All you gotta do is take the seat, unclick it, pull it off, put the new seat on, click it, it's done. I'm gonna show you how to do this in just 1 minute. Let's get this out the way, because that ain't doing nothing. As you can see, you got these little tab things there. You'll need a flathead screwdriver. And then, let's see, a little bit of pryage. Get that one off. Get that one off. Now you're stuck with these two little bolts. And they're being held with these bolts underneath, or these nuts. These nuts. But anyway, so we will now start by removing the old screws holding the old toilet seat on. There it goes. Come on, there you go. Get that one out the way. Some of them you gotta hold the bottom of. Just like this one. And boom, both nuts are off. Kind of like your dog when you take him to the vet. Take the old toilet seat off. Now we're ready for the new pieces. Grab your quick connects. Bag. One in the hole. Two in the hole. You got these nuts right here. These nuts. And all you really got to do is worry about getting these tightened up on there pretty good. Not too tight where you break it, strip it out, but tight enough where it's snug, it ain't gonna wiggle. Number one. And that is good left-handed. Alright, come on. Day now. Oh, I dropped the daggone screwdriver. Tighten her up, tighten her up, tighten her up. Can't do nothing really with my left hand, but I'm gonna finish it off. Yeah, she's tight. Now, toilet seat. Unlock. Unlock. You do is lay it down, click it on the little heads. That one's locked. This one isn't. I've got to push down, turn it. It's locked. No wiggle in the toilet seat. Toilet seat works fine. There you go. That's how you change the toilet seat out in 5 minutes or less. Peace.